कर्ल्ड लैशेस पूरे दिन भर नहीं टिकते. दिस इज not what I was expecting and I made a mistake purchasing it. But then hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Gauri Gazre and on this channel I post content related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So do check my channel out, and if you find something that you're looking for, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So without wasting any further time, let's get started with today's video. So the product that I'm going to talk about today is my current obsession lately. I am in love with it. I love that curled lashes look. लेकिन मस्कारा थोड़ा too much हो जाता है कभी-कभी because firstly तो I have thick hair, okay? So applying mascara on that thick hair looks a little over dramatic at times. I personally love my natural lashes. It's just that मैं उनको थोड़ा कर्ल करती हूँ तो और ज्यादा अच्छा लुक आता है. अभी तो खैर कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा होगा. Like this is my natural lashes. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, कभी कभी मैं सिर्फ आईलैश कर्ल करके ही निकल जाती हूँ. इट गिव्स अ वेरी नाइस लुक. दिक्कत यही है कि कर्ल्ड लैशेस पूरे दिन भर नहीं टिकते, तो कुछ टाइम के लिए मे बी हाफ एन आवर और 1 hour मैक्स टिक जाते हैं और उसके बाद इट गेट्स बैक टू नॉर्मल. सो आई वांटेड समथिंग दैट विल एक्सेंचुएट माय नेचुरल लैशेस एंड कीप देम कर्ल्ड फॉर द एंटायर डे. I researched and I came across a very good affordable product which is this ELF Clear Brow and Lashes Mascara. तो मुझे ये buy one get one में मिला. मतलब भले ही मैंने कभी यूज नहीं किया था पहले, लेकिन मैंने यही 2 मंगा लिए. ELF के मुझे कोई और प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई करने नहीं थे, तो आई वाज लाइक मुझे बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है तो मैं वही 2 मंगा लेती हूँ. तो 350 के आसपास buy one get one में मैंने यही सेम प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर कर लिया. सो आई गॉट 2 of these which is a pretty good deal I must say. तो इसके 2 साइड्स आते हैं. 1 is for the brows and 1 is for the lashes. It is a clear mascara. यहाँ पे लिखा है that which one is for brow and which one is for lashes. तो I had very high expectations from this product. मुझे पहले लगा था कि as soon as I apply it, मैं lashes curl करके ही मैंने apply किया था इसे, and I thought that it is going to work just as fine. But lashes curl करने के बाद भी when I applied this, it kind of brought my lashes back to normal. I was like, this is not what I was expecting, and I ordered 2. मुझे लगा this is a big fail. I made a mistake purchasing it. But then I thought there must be something. Let's try to make this work. So what I did was I applied this mascara. I let it dry for a few seconds and then I curled my lashes, and you won't believe my lashes sticked like that for the entire day. So yes, this works. It's just that you have to make it work. Just like relationships, you know, it's a lot of work. Anyways, पहले मैं यूज करती हूँ ये ब्राउ वाला साइड. Although I feel अगर ये रोज यूज करे तो बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा. तो ब्राउ वाला साइड is also quite interesting. I will just brush my brow like this. I have thick hair, so it doesn't hold up the hair, but it works fine. And I feel जिनके बहुत ही thin hair है brows के, I feel this is going to work pretty well. It does set the brows for entire day. See, it does not feel sticky or goopy, nothing like that. It feels good on the brows and it does stay like this for entire day. Now coming to the most awaited part is the lashes. हमेशा से यूज करते आई हूँ मैं, वैसे ही आपको बताती हूँ ताकि आपको आइडिया आए कि इतना कर्ल करने के बाद, ये प्रोडक्ट लगाने के बाद क्या होता है लैशेस पे. ओके, सी आई एम जस्ट अ फैन ऑफ दिस लुक. दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट. ये इतना प्यारा लगता है और इतना नेचुरल है. इट्स जस्ट दैट पूरा दिन भर ही ऐसे नहीं रहने वाला. This is the look that I love. I absolutely love when my lashes look like this. It's just that they don't stay like this for the entire day. तो अब मैं इसका लैश वाला साइड यूज करती हूँ. इसका एक्सेस निकाल लूंगी I'll apply it like a mascara only. और मस्कारा में ना यार कभी कभी eyelids पे भी लग जाता है और it just becomes whole another mess. Now look at this side and look at this side. So I was expecting कि ये लगाने के बाद भी ये ऐसा ही रहे, but it actually brought my lashes back to normal. Curl करके कुछ मतलब नहीं हुआ. You can literally take a look. This is just the curl side and this is after applying lash mascara. But I will let it stay for 1 minute. 1 minute तक मैं ऐसे ही रुकती हूँ, तो थोड़ा सा ड्राई होने देती हूँ and then I'll be back. I am back and ये almost dry हो गया है, तो अब मैं लूंगी मेरा eyelash curler और मैं वापस मस्कारा के ऊपर कर्ल करूंगी. I will keep this for a while. थोड़ा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा आपको, 3-4 बार ऐसे करना पड़ेगा, but believe me it is worth the effort. Just look at this. आपके पास अगर एक एक्स्ट्रा ब्रश होगा, spoolie brush, you can separate the eyelashes using the brush. Like I am okay with this also. ये पूरी तरह से dry हो गया है. It does not feel harsh or heavy on the eyelashes. Let me tell you, this stays like this for the whole day. सुबह को मैं जब लगा के जाती हूँ, रात तक ये ऐसे ही रहता है unless and until I wash my face. Taking off a normal mascara is actually a task, but this nothing like that. आप normally जब आप face wash करोगे using your face wash, this is going to clean up like this. I don't like using mascara because it looks amazing, but it is a task. Taking off is a task. And वो लगाते लगाते जब eyelids पे लग जाता है, taking that off and reapply makeup on eyelid is another task. Now if you can see closely, see, इसको मैंने सिर्फ eyelash curler से curl किया था और ये it is kind of coming back to normal. It's not even been 10 minutes, but this is not going to budge. I'll quickly apply on the other eye and be back. One of the con is once it starts drying a little bit or even eyelashes curl करते वक्त वो dry होने के बाद कैसे निकलने लगता है, particles जैसा लगता है, तो वो थोड़ा आपको दिखेगा, but it is not much of a con. You can anyways just clean it with a tissue. You can wipe it off with a tissue and you're good to go. I am back applying it on other eye as well and this is how it is looking. मेरे पास spoolie brush नहीं है फिलहाल साइड में, वरना थोड़ा सा इसको और मैं सेपरेट करती, but anyways you get the point how it looks and how it works. और I feel whenever you're applying this, keep one spoolie brush handy. पूरा ड्राई होने के बाद अगर छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स है तो वो spoolie brush से आप क्लीन कर सको easily. I feel that is the only very minor con of this, but other than that, this is a holy grail for someone who just likes that lifted eyelash look without mascara. जैसे no makeup look होता है, this is a no mascara look, if you get what I'm trying to say. I absolutely love this product and I have been using this almost every day. Friends के साथ कहीं बाहर जाना हो, impromptu plans हो, you know, just you need a little pick me up. This is my pick me up. So if you are someone like me who has been looking for something like this only, you just love your natural lashes, it's just that थोड़ा सा curl आ जाए उन पे तो you're happy with it, so I think you should check this out and it is on a very affordable side guys. 300-350 में दो. This is like 2.5 ml only, but it's your choice. अगर आपको eyebrows पे नहीं लगाना है, you can use both the side only for your eyelashes and you're sorted. Eyebrows भी well groomed और set लग रहे हैं और ये भी ऐसे ही पूरे दिन भर रह जाएंगे. I loved it. I totally approve it and you should give this a shot. So this is it for today you guys. This is Gauri Gazri signing off for now. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I personally loved making this video and I hope this was helpful in some or the other way. Do let me know what you felt about this video and if you have any suggestions, advice, do mention it in the comment section below. If you want something specific for me to try out, go ahead, let me know. And I will see you in my future videos. Bye bye, take care, Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year.